Ever wondered why people find such joy in running their fingers through the soil, planting seeds and watching them grow into beautiful blooms or nourishing produce? Gardening is not just about adding a dash of green or a splash of color to your surroundings. It's an activity that rewards both your body and your mind in numerous ways. Getting your hands dirty in the garden can be a great physical workout. Whether you're digging up a patch of ground, hauling bags of compost, or pruning stubborn branches, you're engaging in moderate physical activity that strengthens your muscles and improves your cardiovascular health. It's an outdoor gym where you're not just burning calories, but also nurturing life. But the benefits of gardening go beyond the physical. It's a natural stress buster. Immersing yourself in nature, focusing on the rhythmic tasks of sowing, watering, and weeding, helps clear your mind and reduce anxiety. It's meditation with mud and magic. Gardening also stimulates your brain and enhances your cognitive health. When you're planning your garden layout, figuring out what plants to grow and where, you're exercising your problem-solving skills and creativity. Plus, studies have shown that regular gardening can lower the risk of dementia and improve memory. Growing your own food can be incredibly satisfying too. There's a special kind of joy in plucking fresh vegetables and herbs from your garden, knowing they're free of harmful pesticides. Plus, it's a wonderful way to teach children about the cycle of life, responsibility, and the importance of nature. Now, let's summarize what we've explored today. Gardening is a holistic activity that offers numerous benefits. Physically, it helps to strengthen your muscles, improve cardiovascular health, and burn calories. Mentally, it's a natural stress buster, helping to clear your mind and reduce anxiety. It's also a great way to stimulate your brain, enhance cognitive health, and lower the risk of dementia. And let's not forget the joy of growing your own food, teaching children about nature, and the simple satisfaction of watching seeds grow into beautiful plants. So, the next time you see a garden, remember, it's not just a plot of land with plants. It's a gym, a therapist's couch, a classroom, and a gourmet grocery store, all rolled into one. So why not grab a trowel and start reaping the benefits of gardening today?